Hi guys, this is Priyanka Sharma and I'm a professional makeup artist. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about 9 different ways how I like to use my MAC Fix Plus. If you have watched my previous video, you would know that I love this product immensely. I use this product for my personal use as well as I use this on my clients as well. I'm gonna share with you few reasons why I love this product so much. The first reason is it's not your regular setting spray. Trust me when I say this, it also acts as a mist which refreshes your skin. And the second reason is it mattifies your skin. If you are someone like me who has oily skin, you can use this product after you are done with your makeup and it will help you to control the oil production. The third reason is it has infused vitamins and minerals in it. That is green tea, chamomile and cucumber, which are really good for your skin. The fourth reason is it is tested by dermats, which makes it suitable for all skin types, even for acne prone skin. And the last reason is you can use this product in 9 different ways, which I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's get started. So the first way is priming. As you all know, no prime is a crime. So I use this product to prime my face before makeup. This does a really good job hydrating my skin, and it also makes sure that my makeup is gonna last longer. Second way is it helps you to shear down the foundation coverage. What you can do is you can apply your full coverage foundation on your skin. Like you can see in the video, I am applying a NARS foundation on my skin and then I have sprayed my MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender. And I also use this technique to blend my concealer for under eyes. So my under eyes are quite dry, so I need a little bit of extra hydration. What I do is I spray a little bit of Fix Plus on my beauty blender and then I start blending my concealer under my eyes. And the third way is it helps you intensify the color of your eyeshadow. Like you can see in the video, I have sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush and you can see how instantly this has darkened the color of the eyeshadow. You can also use this technique for your shimmer shadows as well. The fourth way is to use it on your dry pomade. The promades are something that tends to get dry really quickly. So what you can do is spray a little bit on it and then start using it. It's a temporary fix because MAC Fix Plus is gonna dry out, so you can spray it again when you will use the makeup product next time. The fifth way is to revive your gel liners. We all know that gel liners dries up so quickly. So you can see in the video, I have taken a little bit of gel liner on my lid and then I'm spraying a MAC Fix Plus. You can see how instantly MAC Fix Plus has brought the gel liner alive. And the sixth way is to use it before highlighter. What I do is I just spray a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on side of my face and then I apply my highlighter. Like you can see in the video, it has made the highlighter 10 times more glowing. The seventh way is to use it to make your own colorful eyeliner. Like you can see in the video, I have sprayed a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on a colorful eyeshadow and then you can see how pigmented that eyeshadow looks. In this way, you don't have to buy a different colorful liners. Instead of that, if you have one colorful palette, you can use a Fix Plus and make your own colorful eyeliner. The eighth way is to use it to set your makeup. Hold your bottle and give your face a good spray. This will make sure that your makeup is gonna last longer. One thing I have noticed that if you want the product to come out nicely and evenly from this bottle, you have to give it a long press like this. If you press it like very slightly, then you will feel that someone is spitting on your face. And the final way is to soothe your skin. If you ever feel that your skin is irritated, you can give your face a good spray and then you can see that it will calm your skin. I have sensitive and acne prone skin, so if I ever feel that my skin is irritated, what I do is I just give it a good spray. I just spray it evenly on my face. I skip foundation on those days, and then I set my face with a compact powder, and it really works well for me. That's it. These are the 9 ways I use my MAC Fix Plus. I really invest my money in such products because of their multiple uses. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love makeup related content, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Blender, and then I apply
Take two.
second paragraph, take 2. I know.
Take three.
दिख रहा है वो.